Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we're going to take the plate that we painted and transform it into our loom, which means it's going to be holding our first strings, which are our warp. So what we're going to do today is warp our loom. On your plate, you have the string that I left you with a needle on one end, and the string is very long, but the other end of your string is tucked into the first notch of your plate. You are actually not going to hold your loom this way. You're going to hold it this way, which is going to make it much easier to warp your loom. So the first thing you're going to do is take your needle, and you're going to make sure this tail is inside your plate like that. Leave that there, and you're going to put the needle through the bottom of the plate. So we're always going to go through the bottom of the plate like this, and you're going to grab the needle and pull it through. Now the string is very long, so instead of just pulling on the needle, I start to pull on the string itself, because the needle might come off the string if you do it the other way, and I don't think your arm is long enough to pull all these pieces through. Once you've got it all the way through, you're going to tuck it into the next notch of your plate like that. Make sure it goes all the way in. And again, you're going to come up through the bottom like that. Pull and grab it here. Pull, 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 until you've got it all the way through. You can check how it's going on the other side and then back this way. I'm going to tuck this through the next notch of my plate. Make sure it's all the way in, not just resting at the top, but that it goes all the way down to the bottom of that notch. And I'm going to come up through the bottom. Grab the string. Pull, 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 pull. Check how it's going. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go through the next notch. So again, don't just tuck it lightly in. Make sure it's all the way to the bottom of that notch. And you want it to be pulled tight, but not so tight that you end up ripping your plate. I'm going to pull this through. So what I mean is you don't want to have it loose like this, where your strings are like this. You want to make sure it's pulled nice and tight, but don't pull too hard, or you might start to rip the hole in your plate or rip one of these notches. I'm going to tuck it all the way down, go through the hole, pull, 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 tuck it all the way down, go through the hole, pull, 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 all the way down in the notch, go through the hole, pull, 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 pull. It's a good idea to keep checking it to make sure these strings are nice and straight on here and not all like loose and floppy like this. Goes through the next notch, go through the hole, pull, 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 go through the notch, through the next hole, pull, pull, pull. And you're going to keep going all the way around. Keep checking, make sure it looks good on the other side. All the way down. And pull, pull, pull. Once you've got it all the way, you've warped your whole piece here, you're going to take your needle off your string. I've got a lot of extra string here. And we have to tie these two pieces together. So I'm going to cut this a little shorter so it's easier. Not too short because I need to tie them together. And you're going to make an X. The piece that's on the top is going to go under and through like that. You're going to pull just like when you tie your shoe. You can have a friend hold the middle for you if you need to. And you're going to have to make that X again. An X. The piece that's on the top goes around and through the hole. And pull like that. So that now you have warped your loom. Can't wait to see your warped looms.